another exciting episode of Amazon Made It, and we purchased it on their website. Oh, you! The only game show where Amazon provides with all the whatever. So, A, it's not a piece of cheese, but that would be, actually, if this is a giant piece of cheese, that'd be kind of delicious.
I love Parmesan.
Leave it in the comments below if you love cheese. I told Gabe, maybe next week we could do just an actual just skateboarding video. And I looked up at him and he goes like this. And then Glow said, yeah, that's a good idea, Aaron. All right, so I guess, well, in tradition, we would skate it in the box. Skate it in the box. It's like, Troy, that was supposed to hit you. Land yachts. Go ahead. Crisscross crunch. Let's get it. Ollies. My regular skateboard feels really, really weird after that last video we made. And you don't know what I'm talking about. Leave it in the comments below. We might need to take this outside. Yeah, how are we gonna do the furthest launch? Where?
We did it last time.
Leave it in the comments if it's plastic or wood. Leave it in the comments if woodchuck, could chuck, wood, chuck, wood. If woodchuck, wood, chuck, wood. Okay, I think these...
Getting better each time. Yeah, they look legit.
Micro fly box. Warning, always make sure the rails used on a flat level surface. Keep away from other railings. Do not use on steep hills. Do not use in wet conditions. Always using the rail in the right places. Never attempt to perform maneuvers which you are not ready for. Be alert at all times.
I just realized
We just bought the same exact thing.
No, that's 1080. This is 10 and then dash 80. It's a difference.
the bottom's like the same. No, these are better.
Haven't you played F-Zero? Okay, we could go like way further on this. Or how about this one? Excite-A-Bike. There you go.
I think we should get every single kicker we have and like put them together.
And do what? How? I thought this was the longest.
It is, but I mean we can still have some fun.
Fun? What does it mean?
Look at JD, look at JD.
Yeah. JD knows fun.
Yeah, JD. That looks very safe.
This ramp at the end has seen better days. Let me fix this for the family. Yeah, Chris. Oh no, you do not want those wheels. Amazon pump track. Oh mate, get it. My grandson JD had fun on this for hours. This pump track is not made for Ricky Ice.
Why did the chickens cross the road?
Because you need to get to the other side.
To get to the other ramp.
Maybe we got to put them slightly further away? Chris said, yeah. I think the thing is that JD fits under the weight limit.
How did that happen?
The hero you didn't know you needed, but now you know you need. Oh, got him. So I was thinking to do like chalk mark, like who goes the furthest. Okay, I'm gonna get some tape and some chalk. Where's Aussie Dan? You leave for 5 seconds, they all just start going buck wild. Where do you guys want the ramp? Right there? I'm gonna make this real legit. Out here at Braille Skateboarding, we like to keep the athletes safe, so we duct tape it up. Okay, this is how the rules work, boys. We're starting it out at 1 foot. I'm drawing the chalk mark. You get 3 tries to make it. If you don't make it in 3 tries, you're disqualified. May the best skater win. 1. Okay, I don't even think you need to ollie to make a 1 foot on this. Go ahead, wang danga. Chris has sacrificed 1 try. No ollie is about 2 feet. Yeah. Every time, Chris McNugget. Whoa, like a boss. All right, Uzi. 3, baby. I'm gonna disqualify them and then they'll start ollieing. Glow for the win. Team captain. We're up to 4 feet! I got my money on JD. Leave it in the comments below. Uzi goes kickflip. That's what happens when you get wild like that. You get wild. You! 5 feet. Yeah, boy. No. Dang, guy. Yeah, Glow. Barely making the 5. Sorry, Uzi.
Your lines are getting better and better.
I know, right? See, I'm drawing with my left hand, so everything's backwards. 6 feet. I don't know if Uzi cleared 5, so, you know. Uzi's tapping out. He says, I'm not built for little ramps. Yeah, do it. We're up to 7 feet. JD says leave it. He wants a launcher. There you go. Bit of sketch, but okay. JD clears 7 feet with ease. He made it. It's a good thing I duct taped this ramp, you know? Would have had all sorts of problems. 8 feet, brothers. He said I only got 2. They think they're such jokers out there. Go ahead, wise guy. Oh! Bad boy.
Controversial.
I think it was good. I'm calling it good. We got slow-mo to really tell.
That was a nice little baseball slide.
Good knee slide, Body! Glow's tapping out. I'm tapping him out. We're tapping him out. 8 feet, mate. Wang danga, mate.
sometimes you just gotta fall it up. These plastic ramps ain't made for everybody.
9 feet!
3 meters, mate.
2.75 meters.
Go ahead, give it a dagger. Christopher Perez, likely story. How does he just land everything? It's like, relax, chill out. He doesn't even look for cars. Ricky, tell your son to be more careful. Yeah, see, Ricky's, look at the spotter. I don't know, your spotter's working out for you. He's on the Twitter feed. I don't know, Rick. Controversy. Controversial. We'll call it good. I think you might have not made it, but that's okay. Give it another wing danga. You want to go to 10? Oh, you didn't get it, McNug. Oh, I forgot.
Let's give it one more shot, and if I don't get it, I'm eliminated. Dang it. That's tough.
Yeah! What I'm interested to see is, does the ramp help him go further, or do we take it away, and can they ollie further from flat?
Chris, do an ollie real quick, just on flat, to see how far you can get.
Ricky says the ramp for sure helps. I'm expecting you to leave a review on Amazon, sir. Yeah, I don't know the ramp, I don't know. You think the ramp helps. You landed about right here. He said, oh my goodness, this is fun. You know you're living when...
I think he said far.
Oh, is that what he said?
Yeah.
Oh, far or fun?
Both.
Barely.
By like 1.5 inches right there.
Barely.
Did I clear it?
Yeah. Bigger hoodie. Yeah, look at your back.
Yes.
Just.
He needs to clear 10 feet, hard flip, land it. You need verification that he clears and he gets $50.
So we'll slum. Chris, should I draw the 11 line or no? Leave it. Chris, you got it.
He lands like that, going as fast as he is.
No, he'll die. He'll hit that ramp and hit his face.
Must clear 10 feet.
$10. I mean, $50.
He hit line. He hit line. He hit line for sure.
Let's go to a street gap. All right, I got you. I know, and that was... You gotta beat the last one. Look at them doing Rochambeau up there. Father-son skateboarding.
100% cleared that.
Yeah, what the heck?
Until you put an obstacle there.
Right.
Just clear the tip.
That was at least 15 feet, Rick Ice. Let's end the day with a Gabe Cruz drop-in. Nope. You're gonna be here training every day. Just get that guy.
12 feet. Chris might be able to break the record for the longest ollie.
No, it's 16 feet. Fully cleared, yeah, look.
Dang,
to the
JD's
bound,
up
to
there
the
like, I
bound.
didn't know you cleared it. I'm not gonna clear it.
You're not even going that fast either.
All right, it's a flat ground versus ramp off.
If I'm going long, if I'm going high, I'll grab.
Nah, it's not sketchy. JD, you gotta believe. You gotta roll in. Chris is getting warmed up. He's doing stretches, lifting weights over there. Every time we do something like longest, highest, JD always wins. Notice that? He can jump higher and further because he has the bigger wheels. You cleared it, mate. You did like 14. Look at how far you jumped. Look at where your foot landed. You can do 14, brother.
Oh, he touched it.
If this was a street gap, he would have just died. Absolute dad.
I always do tricks 13 feet.
Oh, you got it, JD. Knee slide, brother. All right here, I'll buy you a 50-piece chicken nugget.
Oh.
Yeah, I see the wheel marks right there. Leave your feet up. We're pushing the limits of what's possible here on an Amazon ramp. I mean, this is definitely further than anybody in the history of the planet Earth has ever ollied off of an Amazon ramp. Thuggin' McNuggin, let's go. Yeah! Bush Street gap, let's go. Hard flip. Bush Street. It's probably 8. It's probably 8 feet. It's over a street. You full cap flip it. I'll buy you a Tesla. Just kidding. Oh, yeah, boy.
Yep. Yeah.
All right, that was a good step to 14. Just kidding, just kidding. Dang, that looks crazy.
Yeah, you did
way
great.
higher than me though.
Yeah, good job.
Whoa. Of course, I did get that slam that you took. You can follow JD on TikTok at slammin'. Just kidding, I don't know what it is. JD Sanchez, ______. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you, yes, you are learning how to ride a skateboard. It is the most important thing because we are getting all of the skateboarders and making more skateboarders. If you're watching this video and you do not ride a skateboard, it's time to get a skateboard. Start learning, have fun. We got everything you need. Braille Army Plus, it is the best way to learn. We are there to help you. You have all the tutorials and all the help you could ever need, plus 10% off all of your gear. Do not forget to learn how to skateboard. If every skateboarder today started a new person skateboarding tomorrow, we would overnight double the amount of skateboarders. Let's go skateboarding. Let's push it all over the world.